At first, I'll give you a quick rundown of what SlashDB is, and then we'll raffle off our prize, which is this awesome Erzuka gun that you've been hearing about all day today, probably too much by now. So let's see, do we have this on screen? All right, good. So first of all, let me just say that I'm very privileged to be sponsoring this event, and not only SlashDB is in large parts developed in Python, and Python is also the language that you can use to customize its behavior. And off to the next slide. All right, never mind. Let's do it this way. So obviously, what SlashDB does, it connects databases through the REST API to just about anywhere. And what you can do with it is, for instance, deliver your enterprise data to remote systems, to HTML5 and mobile applications, or develop in-cloud analytics systems. The purpose is oftentimes the most important data sets are in your company's databases. So SlashDB can act as a seamless gateway between the two environments, one being client server and the other being the REST API that is taking over the world, as we all know. But you can just as well use it internally to connect from your analytics tools and avoid a lot of repetitive code. So for instance, if you need the same kind of data in different analytics tools between Excel, MATLAB, you can maintain the single repository of online resources that represent your data and queries. SlashDB allows to extract data from a relational database into nested XML and JSON documents. So this actually can work very nicely in tandem with databases like Mongo, where you will be able to correlate your business records with clickstream and other unstructured data. Just by following a URL like this, you're getting the structured document out, and you can load it in Mongo and analyze it together with the other kinds of data. This is the same thing represented in an XML form. We put a strong emphasis on R in REST, meaning the different representations. And there are obviously different business reasons why you want to do this. So if you're a data vendor or have important information you'd like to monetize, this is the quick way to get this out in many different formats, whether from cloud or your data center. In enterprises, you can utilize this to triumph over data silos. A lot of companies struggle with sharing information. So this, again, acts as a lightweight shell in front of your disparate data sources. Kind of like a different paradigm for data warehousing, except you're not copying data to another database. You're referencing the data at source securely, and you can exploit caching capabilities of HTTP. This is more or less what the infrastructure looks like. So you have your own databases. Around that, there's this URL reinterpretation mechanism that we've developed, and this is hosted behind an HTTP server. You can add caching, search engine, single sign-on optionally to this environment, and basically the URL. This is just one simple example, but it boils down to just following through the root node. You can think about it as a graph and document representation over relational data. So you follow from the root node of the database to table to individual filter by individual fields. You can drill down all the way down to individual field, and again look at it in different data formats, from HTML to JSON to XML to even comma-separated values. And now with this, I would like to ask my colleague Jarin to come over, and we'll be doing the official drawing of the prize. So I have all the registrants here in this Google spreadsheet. what we'll do is we'll assign a random number to each individual, copy that, make sure everybody gets a rank. And now the moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen, pay attention. We are sorting, and the winner is Paul Lockstone. Welcome to the stage.
Thank you, everybody.
Okay, we have 2 shirts for runner-ups, just not to peek over the stage. Abdulaziz, Tim, Sereno, and Taylor Ocean, please meet us. We'll give you this super fashionable SlashDB shirt. White is the new black. Please take your prize.